Okay, in this video, we're looking at number 26 from the 2003 chapter Math Counts competition. And I would ask for the greatest possible number of points of intersections for 8 distinct lines in a plane. And if you notice, I've gone ahead and done the first 3 cases. The first case is if you got 2 lines, well, clearly they can only intersect at 1 point if they're not the same line. They could intersect at no points if they're parallel, but also 1 point. And so the maximum number of intersections there is 1. For the next one, if you got 3 lines, well, what you end up doing is you end up intersecting the other 2 lines with this third line, so it gets you 2 new intersection points because the old 2 lines get intersected by a third line, so that gives you 2 new intersection points. So 1, 2, and 3 gives you 3 intersection points. And then if you do it again, notice this line right here, something like this, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where 3 of them are new, and that's just the new line intersecting the 3 old lines. And that can continue to happen if you draw this well, and it is a nice little pattern, and the pattern is actually referred to as the triangular numbers. And so if that 4 lines is 6, 5 lines would be 10, 6 plus 4. 6 lines would be 15, 10 plus 5. 7 lines would be 21, 15 plus 6, and then 8 lines would be adding 7 to 21 to give you 28. And so the answer is 28, following this nice pattern called triangular numbers to get your answer. But there's actually even a better way to do it, and that's using combinations. And that's because each of these intersection points is just simply 2 of the lines running into each other. So every intersection point is found by counting every pair of 2 lines. And so that actually is a combination problem, which says you have 8 lines and you want to choose 2 of them because every 2 lines that touch each other give you a unique intersection point. So it just turns out to be 8 choose 2, which if you don't know combinations, you can look that up somewhere else. But the formula would allow for it to be 8 times 7 over 2 times 1, which is 28. 56 divided by 2. So either way is a good way to do this problem. This way extends to be faster, and especially if you get more than 10, 12, 14 lines that you're trying to intersect.